So
Yes.
let's share your screen, okay?
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. Now go to the location where your Jenkins file is available.
Okay, sir.
You downloaded Jenkins, right? You go to that,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Here, please.
Open that in the command prompt.
Okay,
No, after that, just right after that.
okay,
Put a
sir.
cursor after that arrow mark. Yeah, CMD.
Yes, sir. It's open.
One right. Now type
Yes, sir.
the Java minus jar space Jenkins dot where. Okay, now it will no start installing. So there is a password will come. Copy that password. Yeah, that password.
This one, sir.
Yeah, that is the one. Yeah, space you copied space also.
Okay, sir.
So make sure no. Yeah, and then put it in one notepad somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Then we can see that.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Mm.
uh, now go to browser.
Okay.
So open localhost 8080, local L is missing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Colon 8080.
I have to select I install suggested plugin.
Yes, yes. Let it install all the plugins.
Sir, I'm giving mail ID and
Now you give your own so username password. Okay.
revision. Must only contain alphanumeric character. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving my mail ID name, but it is not
No,
correct.
so at the rate gmail.com not required.
Okay,
Just give till
okay,
that.
sir.
Yes, yeah. Save and continue. Here you give email address. Not there. That is full name or read.
Okay, sir.
Below email address.
Okay, so I will give name here.
Hmm.
Save and finish.
Yeah, continue.
Start using.
Yes. Now you log in. Yeah. So you are all set now.
Ah, yes.
So now what you need to do? You have to come down. Manage Jenkins. Just click on left side. There is a manage Jenkins. Yes. So then system. Click on the system. Yeah. So look for here Java path you need to set environment variable.
I have to go to users, sir.
No, no. Why it is closed?
No, just yeah, it's games.
Come down, come down.
Mm.
So look for the global variables. Come down still. Yeah, there just go up a little bit. Yeah, here you can see there is a so environment variables. Check that checkbox. Add. So add Java home. Name is Java underscore home.
So any letter should be capital. H is capital.
All capital letters. So Java home, how we will go?
Ah, yes. Yes, sir.
So value, you give the value.
Sir, value.
Value you can Java home, Java home. Where is the Java home? C program files. That from there you have to copy the value. C
Okay,
program files where you install Java. That is the Java home.
okay. This one. So this one.
JDK also. That is Java path, not that one, right? Code inside the JDK.
Okay, okay.
Where is the Java path also? You are struggling, Gayatri. Yeah, this is the Java path,
Yes, sir.
Java home path. So, this path you need to provide.
Yes. So I have copied here.
Hmm. Yeah, save it.
Yes, sir. So it's done, sir. No.
Run, right? Done. So now you
Yes,
go.
sir.
So now you create a job. So that is a new item. Click on new job. Give the
Yes,
project
sir.
name. Anything. Automation. You have already up to date project.
No, sir. Last time I tried, I think it is not there here.
Your framework is ready or no?
Yes, sir, it's ready. Actually, one error came now. That is why I have removed everything. Only two are I have keep here. Login page the here
Yeah,
only.
yeah, fine. At least okay. You have some test cases, right? Yeah, go
Yes, sir.
there. Go there. So now
Yes.
create a project, give the project any name, open cart automation or something, any name for the
Mm.
project. The item, the job name, this is the job name.
Okay, sir.
You have to give
Sir,
the
all
job
letters
name.
should be in small letters or capital. Anything is okay for.
Anything okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a project name, job name. This is the job name.
Yes, sir. I have given.
Select a freestyle project. Okay. Click OK.
Mm.
Give some description, anything. Running automation test case for open cart project. Open cart project. Yeah. Come down.
Yes, sir.
So still come down. Source code management also nil. We are not getting from that. See, there is a trigger builds build after build periodically, but yeah, we are not running periodically. You can leave it, okay? So that's how
Okay,
to
sir.
run periodically. So that means scheduling. Scheduling your test case can be done with this option, okay? We are not doing that. leave it. Come down.
Okay, sir.
Next. 1 minute. Hold on. So select the third checkbox. Add timestamps to the console output. Next, come down.
Okay, sir.
Next. So add build step. Click on add build step. So select Maven targets. Top level Maven targets.
Here it is. Yeah, okay, Himbo. Yes.
Yeah. So give Google goals. Clean install. Clean install. Space install. Yeah. Come down. So there will be a click on advanced. Just give the POM location. So go to did you add the build section?
Yes, sir, I have added palm.xml.
So right
Yes.
click on the project and give the pom.xml path.
Okay,
But
sir.
where is the build section?
Just a minute. This is dependency section. This is build.
Okay, build section. Okay. So did you mention that testng.xml file in the build section?
Yes, sir.
Can
Here
you
it is.
expand the build section? Where is that testng.xml? Yeah, come down. But path is not the right path. Your path is wrong. Your path is in the resources. Right click on the testng.xml.
Here, sir.
No, left hand side under resources you have right.
Yes,
Right click
sir.
on that. Give that path. Right click. Copy path.
Yes, sir.
So copy the SRC test resources. Third one you copy it.
Source
Third. Path from
path.
content route.
Yes, sir.
Copy that
Yes, sir.
and give
Yes,
there.
sir.
In the suit XML file, no.
Okay, sir.
So that line number 135, remove
Okay,
that
sir.
testng.xml and you give that path, complete path there.
Okay,
Otherwise it
sir.
doesn't understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the path you have to give. You didn't kept the testng.xml under project path. You kept under resources.
Okay.
You have to give that resources inside that is there.
Okay, sir.
Now you right click on the pom.xml, you save this. See that
Okay.
there is a problem on the top right that M circle is click on that.
Okay, sir. Yes. Yes,
There is a M refresh icon.
yes, sir.
Not this one.
Just a minute.
Close that.
Yes, sir. I have closed.
Okay, that is gone. I think.
That's counts.
Okay, now right click on the pom.xml. Pom.xml here in the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
Right click, copy the
Yes, sir.
path.
Okay.
Complete path, first one, absolute path.
Okay,
Copy
sir.
that. And
Yes,
go
sir.
and give there. Yeah, give it there.
Yes.
So save and apply. Okay. So now trigger the build now. I want to see whether your test case are running. Build now. Click on build now on the left hand side.
Yes.
So this is how the build will be triggered.
Okay, sir.
Very
Will
good.
schedule.
Why it is? Yeah, it started. So your test cases will start now. Build is already in progress. You clicked on already 2 times. Come down. See, you already clicked. First one failed. And the second one is starting. Second one is running. So click on that. Second one. Console output. And you can see the output. Console output. Yeah, come down and see here whether the test case are running or not. Look into that. Yeah, test
Okay, sir.
cases. So nothing is executing. Something wrong with your first locally it is working or not. You see that there is no
Okay, sir.
sure fail to execute a goal. So check man test ng exception. There is a problem with your test engine. So manual first locally run it, whether it is working or not. Go there and open the Maven, top right side that one. Select
Yes,
the
sir.
clean, first clean it and click on that bullet icon on the green bullet icon top.
Okay, sir. It's
No, on
not.
the same line, same. Go up a
Yes,
little
sir.
bit.
Here screening is coming. That is why it is not showing.
Not that one now.
No, here it is there.
There is a
Just
bullet icon is there now, plus bullet icon.
yes, sir. Bullet icon is there. It is not visible. Just a here. Your screen
Yeah,
is
yeah.
sharing that.
Maybe move down.
Mm, Here my system also. Yeah.
Yeah,
No, it's compiled. Sorry.
it's okay. So select a clean first. Do Maven clean. Do a Maven
Okay.
clean first. Select my clean. Click on that green icon. Then you do install.
Install. Okay.
Select and click on that. There is a problem with your system. So go up.
Test engine
Go test
exception.
ng exception.
Map and shoot file plugin. Execution. This is execution plugin.
Yeah, that is the execution plugin and it's not working. So execution default goal failed. There was an error in the forked process. Mm, so you let me check what is the version.
It is 2.19.
So how do you know how to solve that? What is your approach now, Gayatri?
Well, here Maven should plugin 2.19 but this version it is not compatible with my system. So I have to change the version.
Hmm.
So I have to go on Maven dependency. I have to check there.
So that is change it to 2.22.2 Maven Surefire plugin. Minimize the right hand side. Yeah, minimize that. Click on that. Now go to Surefire plugin. Change the version to 2.22.2.
Okay,
Below.
just
Yeah, that you change it to 2.22. Yeah. So now refresh. I can click on that. Yeah. Okay. So now we execute now same way. So how you ran previously.
okay,
First
yes,
clean, then install.
okay.
Clean and then select install. Yeah. Yeah, now it is again it is giving go up. Go up. What is the issue? Go up a little bit. Go up.
Build failure.
Okay, so I'll give you this build section. Just include this. Okay.
Okay.
The build section has some problem with your. So whatever the build section you have, that is not proper.
Okay.
I'm sending you just copy from this. So copy it from the chat,
Okay.
Zoom chat. So only build
Okay.
section you replace. Okay.
Okay.
Chat, Zoom chat.
Yes, sir.
Are you taking from Zoom chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only
Copy
build
and
section of this.
only build section you remove in the your Eclipse, your IntelliJ. Your
Okay, sir.
IntelliJ, copy this Zoom chat, whatever I pasted, go and
Ah.
replace in the IntelliJ,
Mm.
remove that build section and paste it this.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have pasted, sir. It's installed already.
Okay, again run clean and install.
Okay, sir.
Can you come down a little bit? Come
Sir,
down.
here.
I want to see that. Yeah, good. Okay, now run it. Okay, run the
Okay.
install now. Hmm. Wait. Let's see. That is the issue. Test is not a valid file. So it's very clear. Testng.xml is not a valid file. Okay. So do one thing. Your testng.xml, you move out of. See again. Okay. You give the path of testng.xml.
Okay,
To
sir.
the path of
Here.
testing XML. See, in the line number 137, I have given in
Yes.
my root project, but your
Okay, sir.
testing.xml is not in that place. Copy that
Okay, sir.
path. Hmm. Yeah. So give that path. Save it and run again. Yeah, that is the one. So first do the clean
Okay, sir.
and install. Hmm. Up. Will to execute goal. Please refer. Sure reports for the individual test results. There was an error in the fork process. Having something problem in your pom.xml. So come down, slowly come down. Wait. TestNG by default disable loading DTT from. What is the TestNG version you used? Go up.
The test engine.
Hmm. Show me the dependency TestNG.
Okay, sir. This one, sir. 7.10.2.
Hmm. So that error, what you can do, you set this in the that entire error you copy,
Okay.
search it in the chat GPT.
Okay,
Are
sir.
you using chat GPT?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So go and search in the chat GPT.
Oh.
So you will get
Minimize.
some answer and try to fix that. So
Okay, sir.
take that entire error, copy that entire error. You have to copy the error.
Okay, sir. I have to run again. It's minimized. It is not showing.
Got
Coming
it,
now.
right?
Yes, sir. I have got it, but it's not coming now. I will
Okay, run
be.
it again.
GPT, I'm using my phone. I have using. No.
Install. You run in install. So you use ChatGPT. It will be
This one, sir.
hmm. That entire thing you not from the top, the little bit up, little bit up.
This
Error,
failed take.
so there is a error. Go up a little bit.
Okay, sir.
So from there you copy line error starting onwards. The
Here.
entire thing you give it to that chat GPT. It will. Can you please help me to fix this issue? Ask it.
Up to this point, I have copied.
Hmm. Entire thing. Copy entire error. Why half
Total,
only
sir.
you are copying?
Up to this level.
Yeah. Give entire error to that.
Okay.
Otherwise, how does it understand?
So I have copied. I have to attach.
Copy, paste there and no, give it there and can you please help me to fix the issue and ask it like that.
ID is asking that Maven file plugin.
Change it, whatever he says to change it. Look all that.
2.2 version.
Change it, whatever he wants.
The same version only I have used 2.2.22. Sir.
Then
I should have like 2.2, 2.22.
read everything and try to fix it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.